My name's Pamela Templer, and I'm a professor of biology here at Boston University. In our lab, we're broadly interested in understanding how changes in the environment like climate change and air pollution affect our natural ecosystems. And here at Boston University, what we've been focusing on more and more is trying to understand the biology here in the city of Boston. We know that cities around the world are really important to study. More than half of the world's population currently lives in cities, and that proportion is expected to rise. And we also know that cities are the source of more than 70% of global emissions of fossil fuel combustion products. Here in the city of Boston, we know that our tree canopy cover is about 25% of the land surface area, which means we have a significant amount of vegetation here in the greater Boston area. And in this project this summer, we're trying to understand how vegetation and soils either contribute to or mitigate the fluxes of greenhouse gas emissions here in the city of Boston. Because we know that in natural ecosystems outside of cities, vegetation can offset fossil fuel emissions anywhere in the order of 5 to 40%, meaning that trees take up carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, and basically that can offset the CO2 that's coming out of the tailpipes of our automobiles. And so as part of the Boston University Climate Action Plan, one of the main goals is to quantify the amount and sources and effects of greenhouse gas fluxes here on campus. Like many other places, we're trying to understand the role of human activities in emitting these greenhouse gases. So things like transportation, burning of fossil fuels for electricity, our supply chain, our food chain, things like that. Our hope is that we can get a more complete understanding or budget of greenhouse gas fluxes on our campus.